want no slow song. Had a man last year, life goes on. Haven't let that thing loose, girl, in so long. You been inside, know you like to lay low. I've been peeping what you bringing to the table. Working hard.
What's up guys, it's Keana and today I'm going to be showing you guys my top 5 lazy breakfast ideas. They're all moderately healthy and this is perfect for school. I know a lot of you guys are in high school and you're finishing off the last few weeks, so this will be perfect for you if you want some easy, fast breakfast ideas. I'm super excited to be working with the company Organifi for this video. They actually sent me a green juice powder, which I'm super excited to start using more. Hopefully this is helpful. Let me know. Leave me a comment if you guys have any type of video that you want to see from me, anything in particular. Yeah, with that said, let's get started. Okay, so the first food item, this is super yummy. This is my favorite thing out of all the 5 items that I'm showing you, but this is just avocado toast with smoked salmon, and this is so good. I love smoked salmon. I get the kind from Trader Joe's. So yeah, all you have to do for this recipe is get some kind of carb, any kind of bread. I like to use just this whole wheat English muffin from Trader Joe's. You can also just use whole wheat toast or anything you like. So I just spread some nice ripe avocado on there, and you can either spread it, like smush it out. I usually smush it, but today I thought I would just kind of try to slice it, make it look cuter, but you know, things don't always work out the way you want it to. But you know, you get the point.
Say taste, taste. She can get a taste, taste, taste. She can get a taste.
So the next breakfast item is going to be green juice. Green juice is a great thing to have in the morning, especially when you wake up. It's super refreshing. It's perfect for summer because in the summer I'm really into making smoothies all the time, and something you can do is add in like a green juice powder. This is actually the one from Organifi. This is a gently dried superfood powder. It's refreshing, super cool. It actually has like a minty essence almost. A lot of us don't really get our veggies in or like our greens into our diet because, you know, they don't have the best tasting things in the world. I'd rather just have some ice cream. So throwing this kind of stuff into a smoothie just adds all those nutrients, adds a lot more of those superfoods into it. So the great thing about this is that it's soy-free, it's gluten-free, it's vegan, it's got all the goods. All you have to do is add water, and I think that's super easy. It's great if you're trying to look for something like on the go. You just want to like shove your powder in, shove your water in, shake it up like a protein powder, you're out the doors. And basically it comes out to be less than $2 per day. If you guys want to buy this, I have a coupon code for 15% off your order. It's just my name, Keana Skurla. So definitely check that out if you're interested. What's the third item? The third item. Spray your pan a little bit, oil it up, grease it up. Then you just crack a nice little egg on there. We decided to try this sunny side up. It kind of looked a little raw. It's super easy. Then we just threw some spinach on the side. You can also throw the spinach on the egg or like cook it in the egg. It's really healthy, this one. It's good way to get all the protein in the morning. So yeah, we have the egg, and then we have some spinach on the side, and then we also have a half of an avocado sliced on the side.
Taste, taste. She can get a taste.
Recipe 4. Recipe 4 is going to be an oatmeal bowl. We decided to use some instant oatmeal, a Quaker instant, 1 minute. You just throw it in the microwave. To make it taste good, not plain, we like to throw some fruit on there. I took some fresh strawberries, some bananas, and then we also put some chia seeds and some honey. That's my typical oatmeal bowl.
Rob Stone, 2 damn phones, Babylons can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam, but figured I should.
With peanut butter and banana. This is one of my favorite things that I used to have in high school a lot because it's so fast. You basically just get a rice cake, peanut butter, sliced up some banana, and stuck it in like a flower pattern on the rice cake.
Lose control.
I've got that silver tongue. I got that silver tongue. Drives you into delirium. I got that silver.
So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys found my 5 breakfast ideas helpful, and if you did, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out Organifi for their green juice powder, and I will see you guys in my next video.